Welcome. Today I want to practice the concept of middleware in Go. Let's look at our code. So let's focus our attention on line 10. A handler function turns a function into a handler. So all this function does is write to the response writer a dot followed by a new line. Why are we interested in returning a handler? Because look at code on line 13. The handle, HTTP handle, expects a path and a handler. So here we have actually three handlers: the hello add handler, the world add handler, and the dot add handler. And it does what you expect it to do. Hello add writes hello to the output, world add writes world to the output, and dot add, as you already saw, writes a dot and a new line to the output. Let's run this code, shall we? It's running. It should produce the expected output, and it does. Now let's run some benchmarks. I actually ran these benchmarks before. My computer has 8 cores, but it actually only has 4 because of hyperthreading. It's a 1.6 gigahertz at i5 for each core. When I ran Apache Bench, this benchmark, it actually showed close to 12,000 requests per second. But because I am recording this video on the same computer, the performance is going to be a bit less, but let's see how much less. So that's 10,000 requests, and it's showing requests per second over here. 10,000 requests per second, very decent. All right, the longest took 7 milliseconds and the shortest was about 1 millisecond. Well, but because it's hyperthreading, let's reduce it to 4 cores. Let's see. Took a bit longer. Requests per second now has dropped. But look at this. This performance seems to have improved. Let's go back to 8 cores just for the fun of it. I can't believe that it's dropped to about 9,007. Well, it's close. It's close. That was 9,007. At 8 cores, yeah, 9,001. All right. But see, the 50 percentile response has gone up to 1 millisecond. But excuse me, 1 millisecond, 3 milliseconds, that's phenomenal. At 10,000, almost 10,000 requests per second. That's Go for you.